Students, let us do example 2.45. The present value of a machine is rupees 40,000 and its value depreciates each year by 10 percentage. Okay, 10 percentage. Find the estimated value of the machine in the sixth year. Understood? So the present value means it is the first year value. Each year the value is decreases. Depreciates means you studied that in the 8th standard, it is decreases. Okay, decreases year by year 10 percentage from the value. Find the estimated value of the machine in the sixth year. So we need to find out the value in the sixth year. This value we can find out in the normal way, but you have to do in the geometric progression way. Why it is? If you need for more year, big year value, you should know. Okay, so you have to do using the geometric progression method. So I am going to explain using geometric progression method. Okay, you should do that way only, then only you will get the full mark. Okay, first we can write given first the value of the machine in the first year. That means it is the present value. Okay. Next year only it will decrease. So it is rupees 40,000. Then how much value decreasing? It is 10 percentage. That means totally 100 percentage. Total value we can consider as 100 percentage. 10 percentage decrease means it is 90 percentage of this 40,000 value is the second year value. Okay, 90 percentage of 40,000 is the second year value for this machine. That is the meaning. Okay, so this depreciates year by year, that we can write as annual depreciation. And annual depreciation is is 10 percentage. Okay, is our depreciation equal to 10 percentage. Therefore, what is the value of the machine in the second year? Therefore, value of the machine in the second year equal to 90 percentage of the first year value. Okay, so what is the first year value? It is rupees 40,000 into 90 percentage, so 90 by 100. Okay, so when you calculate this value, you will get the machine value of the machine in the second year. Now you no need to calculate, since we are going to do the going to use the geometric progression method. No need to reduce the value here. Next, what is the depreciation in the third year? The same here, 40,000 into 90 by 100. This is the value of the second year. This you will consider as the value of the machine, and for this 90 percentage again. Okay, so 10 percentage decreases year by year. So for this 90 percentage again. So we can write value of the machine in the third year is equal to is equal to 90 percentage of the second year value. Okay, so 90 percentage of the second year value. What is the second year value? It is this rupees 40,000 into 90 by 100. This is the second year value. Again for this 90 percentage. So it is into 90 by 100. Okay, how can we write this? It is rupees 40,000 into 90 by 100 the whole square. Okay, so for the first year only rupees 40,000, second year rupees 40,000 into 90 by 100, for the third year rupees 40,000 into 90 by 100 the whole square. Okay, third year power 2. So what about the fourth year? It is rupees 40,000 into 90 by 100 the whole power 3. Like this way we can find out for so many years. Okay, but we need to find out only for 6 year. So we can do this normal method, but we have to do using the geometric progression. Anyway, it is multiplying with each one. Okay, the first one 40,000, second one is 40,000 into 90 by 100, third one is that value with 90 by 100. Like this way only 90 by 100 is multiplying with each term. Okay, with the previous term. So these values are in GP and we can use the GP formula. Okay, yes. So we can write this continuing this way. Continuing this way, the value of the machine depreciates as 40,000 rupees. This, since we are going to write the sequence, no need to use the unit. Okay, only values you write, only the numbers. 40,000 comma 40,000 into 90 by 100 comma 40,000 into 90 by 100 the whole square, etc. Normally 3 terms are enough to check the series. Now 3 terms we found. Okay, the sequence is therefore this sequence is in the form of GP with A is equal to 40,000 and R is equal to 90 by 100. Okay, so we got the geometric progression with the first term 40,000 and common ratio 90 by 100. Now what you want to find? To find the value of the machine in the 6th year. Okay, value of the machine in the 6th year. You see here, first year is first term, second year is second term, third year is third term. So 6th year means it is T6. 6th term you need to find. Okay, what is the formula for Tn? We have Tn is equal to, in GP, A into R power n minus 1. Here it is the formula. Here n is equal to 6. Okay, since we need to find out T6, n equal to 6. Therefore, T6 is equal to, what is the A value? It is 40,000 into R value, it is 90 by 100. The whole power, n is 6 minus 1. So we can find out this. It is 40,000 into 90 by 100, the whole power 5. Okay, we can reduce this. This 0 you can cancel. First here itself you can cancel, but what value is decreasing we should know. That's only we done that way. Okay, 40,000 into 90 by 10 into 5 times 90 by 10 into 90 by 10, sorry not 90, 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. Okay, you can cancel this zeros. Here 4 zeros, you can cancel the 4 zeros from the denominator. So what do you get? Totally the value is 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 4 divided by 10. Okay. So when you multiply this whole numerator, you will get as it is, you see the number 2,36,196 divided by 10. Okay. So this is the value when you multiply. The 9 9s are 81, again 9 9s are 81. So 81 into 81, the 9 4s are 36. So multiply like that way. So you get this value. Since the denominator is 10, you can change this one decimal. You can move one decimal part from the right side. So that is equal to 23,619 619.6. Okay, but this is the value of the machine. It is in rupees. So in the decimal part you have to write 2 digits. Okay, when you are writing in rupees, answer value of the machine in the 6th year is rupees 23,619.60. Okay, you can approximate also, but this is a book answer. So conclude this much. Are you all clear?